The color mixing apparatus allows students to investigate additive and subtractive color mixing. With a screen that has the 4 inscribed colors, you can also have the students investigate how color perception can be affected by a single color light source. The kit includes a projection screen that has 4 colors on one side but is blank on the other side, an activity guide, the apparatus itself, which has 3 different colored LEDs, a control knob to adjust the intensity of each LED individually, and a power cord. The kit comes in all these pieces, but the assembly is very straightforward. The short legs go on the color mixer. And you have the longer legs that go onto the projection screen. You want to insert the lights on the same side where the knobs are, right into these little holders. Now I'd leave the caps on them until you're ready to do the experiment. Okay, they can be adjusted, so you can angle these any way you want onto the screen. And the final step for setup is just to connect an LED to each control port. You can turn them on and off individually, and then just connect your power adapter, plug it in, and then you are ready to go. When you shine all 3 lights onto the projection screen, you will notice that when they overlap, they have different colors that they combine to make. Right in the middle is something that is very close, if not perfect, to white. This is an example of additive color mixing. Here is the general setup for doing subtractive color mixing. You need to have something that is going to block the center of all 3 of the light sources. I just used the cap that came off of one of the light LEDs, taped a paper clip to the back, and used the packing that the apparatus came in. So you don't really need anything special other than a paper clip. For subtractive color mixing, what you want to do is aim all of the light into one big spot so you have a huge white dot, and then take a round 1-inch disc and place it somewhere in the path of that light. So I just put this little paper clip holding up this round circle. So now, where they all intersect, you get black, when before you were getting white. So now this is how you can demonstrate subtractive color mixing to your students. So what you're seeing right there is about 3 feet away from the light source, and each circle is about 1 foot in diameter. The farther away you want to get this, the larger of a demonstration that you're going to have. And let me kill the lights here really quick for you to see that. So this is my hand right against the screen, so you can get a really big, nice demonstration for your whole class to see. And you can vary the colors and make a great classroom demonstration, or a simple one-on-one demonstration depending on what you want to do. The color mixing apparatus is not only compact, but it's very easy to use. The knobs on the front make it simple for students to adjust the intensity of each light source, as well as the buttons on the back that allow you to turn on and off each individual light. With this apparatus, students can have fun investigating additive and subtractive color mixing, as well as how the color of light on an object affects the perceived color that your eyes see.